What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to type in prompts in Midjourney to generate images. So here I'm on the Midjourney bot or server on Discord, and I'm signed in with my account. And here I'm in the newbie room, so they will allow me to type in prompts here. However, you have to note that Midjourney is not a free service anymore. It used to have a free trial where you can generate images for free with limitations. However, now to generate images you need to subscribe to a plan. However, I will show you the way if you are subscribed. So here in the server I need to go to the message here where I can type the messages, and then type in /imagine. That's the prompt that I will use to generate images, and then you can choose it from here, and then you can type in what you want to generate in the image. So let's type in, for example, tiger flying in a blue sky, anything you want. And once you hit enter, the bot will generate your image for you, and it will appear here in the chat. However, as I told you, you need to be subscribed to a plan. So let's hit enter to see what happens. It tells me here that the message that I typed, it tells me that I have to subscribe in order to create an image. So they cannot provide a free trial for now, so I have to subscribe to create an image. However, once you are subscribed to a plan, this is the prompt to generate images in Midjourney.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.